here with golden straps and fuzzy VR. And I'm gonna show you how to get the new cosmetics and what they look like. Come here, come here. Come on, guys. So, first, we got the Google card. You can't, but one thing's bad about them, you can't buy them or equip them at all. Look, if I go to mirror, look, my eyes just disappear. So you cannot do that, but we will also be checking out the Floor's Lava and showing y'all a mini game about it. Okay, so here's how to get it. Go to your settings. Okay, click system right here. Go down to time. Turn this off. Click edit, then click this PM. And when you go into public lobbies, you can go and stand on them, and people will think you're using platforms.
But be careful. Reported.
Yeah, you might get reported. If you get reported, let me just say this. Let me just say this. It's not my fault. It's yours.
It's not our fault. I mean, you're the one who decided to do it, so. Just don't get reported.
Why you goofy look? But all you need to know. Wait. Okay, there's $0. Zero shiny rocks. Hey. So now we'll be showing y'all a mini game that y'all can do. Come on, go to Forest. Go to Forest. Go to Forest. Okay, don't tag anyone. Okay. So Lava Monkey or Rock Monkey, they have to light the volcano up. So here's how you play. Don't light it up yet. Okay, here's how you play. So say like I'm standing on this. If like Rock Monkey comes over and says lava, I have to run to a different spot. And if I touch the ground, then I'm Rock Monkey. And the original Rock Monkey can't get lava until the next round. Okay, that's how you play. Actually, no. Okay, they can get tagged next round, but if you just like go for them and no one else, then that gets you disqualified. Okay, fill up the volcano.
Alright. Alright, it's about to erupt. Fill that volcano. Fill that
Volcano. Fill.
The guy is dead.
Oh, I hate that noise. Not really. One more. One more. Here, let me help. Let me help the Rock Monkey out of it. Okay, it's almost done.
They keep on hitting the sides. They can't hit the sides, else it will die down. Okay, there it is.
Okay. Get up, Logan. Okay, Golden cannot tag anyone, but he can. It's like, and RTX is on, which makes the video better. Like, he's RTX. Or RTX. Oh me. Oh me. No. Oh, I made it. I fell. Lava.
Oh.
So it's a 30-second chase. If they get on. Okay. No. Okay. See, like, oh wait. Dang it. Okay, I can't go for him a second time. I mean, I could, but that would be just aiming. Where'd he go?
I hit
What if he just pops out of the lava right in front of you?
Lava.
Oh, you gotta run. 30 seconds, Logan. 1.
Lava. Lava. I almost destroyed my chandelier.
And I died. I died. Lava. Logan, I said lava. 30 seconds. Oh, come on. Dang it. Lava. Oh my. No. Let's go.
I like that, but it makes me so dizzy. Hey, whoa.
No!
Very hard to swim in. The lava is very hard to swim in.
Lava. Hold it.
What?
I said lava. 30 seconds. And he died.
I got off.
Yeah, I know you have to do a 30-second run.
What do you mean though? I got off.
Yeah, but you have to like run for 30 seconds. Okay. Should we end the video here?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to mirror to end it.
Yeah. This is a good time to end the video.
Okay, bye guys. That's it for today. I will be posting a little bit
End the
more.
video. Quick,
Not as much still.
quick. End the video.
Okay, here, wait, before I do that, here's Golden Strap's channel, and Logan's, and I mean, Buzzy's channel, and they'll also be in the description. And that's it.